Penguin keeps it friggin' cold down here. You better hope Penguin doesn't hear you complaining. Think he'd turn up the heat if I asked? Your funeral. This is the Penguin's turn.
This is the entry to the Penguin smuggling operations underground. There's more than one way to the inner chambers. Tell you what, let's flip a coin. Tails, take the right passage. I'll catch up.
Don't say a word. Let me do the talking. There's a gang war raging in this city, and right now the Penguin is winning. But I'll tell you a secret. His operation will be mine. And if you're tempted to cross me, remember, dead men tell no tales. Think like the enemy. You might.
Hush is working for the Penguin? Then the Penguin should watch his back. Hush doesn't work for anybody without an ulterior motive. Now keep going. The Penguin's lair is deeper within these tunnels. Feeling lucky, punk? Let's flip the coin! And luck is on our side. Let's take the Penguin down. Feathered friends are proof we're close to the Penguin's nest. He always did have a thing for birds. Vicious ones.
Two-Face wants in on my smuggling operations, eh? Doesn't he know I'm an upright citizen these days? Come on, boys. Show Two-Face's little fledglings what happens when they crash my coop. Wah, 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 wah.
Wake up, bird brain. We're here to shut you down. Bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, Penguin. And now, Two-Face rules this roost!
Well done. Pity you aren't working for me. Enjoy this momentary victory, Two-Face or Harvey Dent or whoever you are. The Penguin never puts all his eggs in one basket.